know what that clap was then, sorry. Hi everyone, so today I am filming a new video. So as you can see, I'm in a bit of a different location right now. I'm just downstairs in my living room right now. Just because why not? I'd just like to say, sorry if the videos are a little bit like delayed recently, like at the moment and stuff, because I'm actually moving on the 20th of August. So yes, it's currently the 6th today. So yeah, obviously things are a little bit hectic at the moment, and yes, but expect like room tours and things like that coming up, so I'm so excited about that. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a review on a brand, I guess you could say. I'm going to be reviewing Betty Box today. So Betty Box kindly sent me this box. They are basically a monthly subscription service. So I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the day I used to do Glossy Box reviews. Now Glossy Box I did actually pay for myself, and I loved it so much. Every month you would get like a new box and it'd be filled with like makeup and goodies, and it was just so exciting, like getting that delivered to your door like every single month, like having it there. It was like so exciting. It would just brighten up your whole month. So yeah, this is a new one. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Betty Box. I can't speak. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Betty Box now. So Betty is a period organisation on a mission to provide period education, end period shame, and rid the taboos surrounding a perfectly natural and normal occurrence which 50% of the population will all have experienced. So yeah, I forgot to mention, but this is like a period subscription box, so for girls only, sorry boys. Betty Box is the UK's first monthly period subscription service designed specifically to make that time of the month more comfortable and less scary for teenagers. The colourful box contains everything you need for a positive experience, including the period essentials, I can't speak, oh my gosh, tailored to meet every girl's needs, as well as extra delights to make every girl feel better during their time of the month. That is a bit about them and stuff. If you want to get hold of this box, I will leave the link in the description, and you can get 20% off your first box with the code Keira20. It'll be on the screen and also in the description again. But I'm just going to get into this box and open it. I haven't opened it yet. I literally just took it out of the plastic like packaging that it came in. But yeah, mine's a little bit broken at the sides, but it's all good. It's holding together. So it is this really bright and colourful box. It looks insane. I think you get different options when you actually order this, whether you want tampons, pads, or both, and like just things like that. Yeah, let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to hold this. Okay, it's this way around. Whoa, okay. I don't even know how to do this. Okay, so on the box it's got like all their social media and stuff, and oh, this is just what it looks like. So I think you get a couple of like things. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. So this is, I think it tells you about what you get in the box, so I'm not going to look at that. And this is about, I think, getting their pads and things like that. So yeah. So in here you get 3 little boxes, as you can see. Ooh, and a little bag in the middle. So I'm going to start off with this big yellow one. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go with the pouch first, because I think the For You is like the goodies, so I want to do that at the end. Ooh, so in here you get the Betty pads. So I think these are like normal pads? They feel a bit thin to me, but they could be liners. I think these might be liners actually. Oh no, there's some smaller liners in there too, but you basically get a pouch full of liners and pads. 2 seconds. It's all good guys, Fred just delivered my new shoes. Gotta love Fred. As I was saying, in the little pouch you get some pads and some liners, so that's great. And then in these 2 boxes at the side here, you've got one that says for night and one that says for later. So I'm gonna open the for night one. So it's like, this is so exciting. I don't want to rip the box. That's so cute. So it's in a little box and you've just got some night pads, which is great. Yes. And oh god, you've got the for later one. So let's have a look what's in the for later. Ripped it. That's what I didn't want to do. So in here you've just got a bunch more pads, which is great. I don't know if these are scented or not. Oh, I just proper sniffed that. So then finally we have got the exciting one, the For You box. So let's open this. Honestly, this camera today, it just said card full, so I had to delete some stuff, but we're back. So yeah, the first thing I've got in here is the Joe and Seth's Gourmet Popcorn Chef and Connoisseur. The finest air-popped salted caramel popcorn, sweet and salty. Yes, please. I love salted caramel. Oh my gosh, like anything salted caramel, bring it at me. So I'm so excited to try this. Oh my gosh. Oh, so the next thing I've got is a neon pink highlighter, which is actually really funny because my pink highlighter was running out. So I actually need to get a new one. So this is actually so good. And obviously back to school coming up, which don't want to go back to college, but I actually do really need this, so I'm very happy about this. We have got the, I have no idea how you pronounce that, I'm not even going to lie to you, Oriza Beauty Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips and nails. It contains vitamin E and rice bran oil. Wow, okay, that sounds insane. I love a good glowy skin thing. It says, oh my god, that's so good. It says it's been perfectly formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. I have had the worst sensitive skin recently, so I literally cannot wait to try this. Then we've got an MUA Whipped Velvet Blush in the colour Hedonic. It's this colour, it's just, oh my god! It's just this colour, it is so lovely. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this. Very summery as well, love it. And we have got, oh, we've got a face mask. It's the Vitamassuis. I can't pronounce anything. Can you believe I'm an English language student? It's pronounced like whatever that is, but it looks insane. It is kiwi fruit yogurt mask, skin softening and revitalizing. So that's really exciting because I haven't done a face mask in like ages. So yeah, and it feels like you get so much in there too. So very excited to try this. The final thing we've got in here is a Tea Pigs Snooze Sleepy Tea. Wow, a fruit and herbal infusion. I love my tea. I'm obsessed with mint tea at the moment. So I'm very excited to try this. There's what's special about this tea. Put down that phone, switch off your laptop, sit down, feet up, breathe deep, close your eyes. What? No time for all that pre-bed relaxation? Then put on the kettle and enjoy this yummy blend of apple, lavender and chamomile, known to help maintain a healthy sleep. Light, a little sweetie and flowery. Off to sleep you go. Zzz. That is so cute, I'm so excited. So as if my camera couldn't be any more annoying, it goes and runs out of charge. So I've just charged up my battery and that, but I am back. And in the time that I've literally just been sat, like, I undid my shoes, which are amazing. I got the Nike Air Force Ones, in case you're wondering, in white. But anyway, the time that I was just now charging this up, I was just like taking pictures of the box for like Instagram and stuff. And I've literally, oops, I'm sorry, literally only just found this in the bottom of the box. So it wasn't in any of my Instagram photos or anything, but it is a lip pencil in the colour Jewel by Laritzy Cosmetics. So I'm actually so excited about this because honestly, when I saw it, I was like, oh my god. Ooh, so it's in like a burgundy colour. Oh my god, this is actually the perfect colour because I always use this in like autumn and winter because it's like that really nice berry shade. And I'm useless at putting that kind of colour on because it's so dark, so lip pencils with that colour is like perfect. So I'm so excited to use this. So that is actually it, guys. I've checked the box as well to make sure. Yeah, that is it in this month's, the August box. So if you want to get your hands on this box, well not this box, but next month's box, then make sure you go sign up now and buy yourself a box. And as I said, you'll get 20% off your first box with Betty Box if you use the code Keira20, which will be on the screen now, Also, if you hear a funny noise, I've got the fan on because it is just too hot in here right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go check out Betty Box. I'll leave everything in the description. Also make sure you check out my social media, which is on screen now, because I've got everything on there as well. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you all very, very soon with a new one. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you.